And we're back with another knife review. Today it's going to be the Antonini SAR. This is an Italian-made knife designed by Thomas Rumor C. Let's go ahead and get it open for you there. We'll start off with some specs. This knife is 8.55 overall. The blade is 3.8 inches. It's a combo. The cutting edge is 3.75 inches. The handle is 4 3/4. It uses a TOL lock or bolt action lock. Uses the IKBS ball bearing system, just like Columbia River does. The steel is Nitro B. We will go over that in just a few minutes for those who are interested. Has a wire pocket clip, reversible. Built-in glass break. Lanyard hole. G10 scales, contoured. And a magnetic bit holder, since this is considered a rescue knife. Thumb stud for opening, jimping on top. Alrighty, this blade is 5.1 ounces overall. Of course, you can always loosen the pivot to make it flippable. We'll go over the steel Nitro B while we're doing the cutting. It is a steel used in mostly Italy. I think a German company makes it, and it's not a lot of people that actually use it because we have so many different steels here. But it's comparable to like an N680 or an N690, something very similar to that. What you will find is that you can't get it quite as sharp. I mean, it's sharp enough, but it's very resistant to corrosion. So if you're not a good cleaner of your knife, or you don't clean it every day or keep it dry, yeah, this is a knife for that. Whoops. You see it cuts very easily. We'll bring some cord over here if I can find some. So the bolt axle lock is the defining feature of this blade. It's technology that Lion Steel is using with this knife. It has a back spacer here. It has Lion Steel's logo on it. The look of the knife overall is nice. I like the minimal thumb stud. And this blade sells, I believe, on our website. I think it's somewhere around 130 bucks. Can't remember the exact number. Alright, so this is the Antonini SAR. It's a rescue knife. Trying to be a high-end rescue knife at least. If you're watching on IGTV, make sure you like and follow Atlantic Knife. If you're watching on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. We like those. Not to mention, if you have any comments, well, feel free to leave those there and we will answer them as quickly as possible if you have questions. On that note, we'll end this by saying I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.